Hi friends, how are you? I hope you're having a really good day today. I'd like to introduce this project to you. This is a cute reindeer in a sweater project that was designed especially for kids. You do not have to have any drawing or painting experience at all to be successful with this project. I'll take you step by step through all of the steps so you will know what to do at all times. All right, I'm excited about teaching you this lesson. Let's get started. You're probably wondering what supplies and materials you will need for this project. So let's go over that really quick. The first thing that you'll need is a piece of heavy paper. I like to use watercolor paper, so if you have that available to you, go ahead and use that. You'll also need some watercolor paints, some water, and a paintbrush. I use a paintbrush about this size, but if yours isn't this big or this small, that's okay. Just use what you have. Then you'll need either a crayon or an oil pastel black, if you have it available to you. You will need a paper towel and a mat to cover up your workspace to keep it nice and tidy and clean. So go ahead and gather all of your supplies and let's get started. Alrighty friends, so let's get started on the first step of our project. We are going to be drawing our cute reindeer in his cozy sweater. So let's push those aside and grab either your crayon or your oil pastel. I'm going to use my oil pastel because I like the thick line that it creates. Alright, so what you're going to do is you're going to come about a quarter of the way down your piece of paper and you're going to create a line, and the line is going to be a little tiny bit curved. Let me show you what I mean. So I'm going to start about right here and then I'm going to go about right here. So I have maybe about 2 or 3 inches here. That would be maybe 4 or 5 centimeters, and the same on this other side. Now I'm going to come down the middle until about this area right here, and I'm going to make a curved line and another curved line, and this is going to be the bottom of our reindeer's head. Now we're going to go back up to the top, and we're going to make some little ears. So curved line and curved line. Same on the other side, curved line and curved line. And then let's make some antlers. So the way that I make antlers is I just make a big, huge upside down letter U. And then I add onto this U some smaller letter U's like this, upside down. All right? If you'd like to make antlers different, go ahead and do that. All right, now I'm going to come down into this space right here. This is going to be the face of my cute reindeer, and I am going to keep it simple. I'm going to start with a nose down here at the bottom. So I'm going to make a straight line with a U underneath, and I'm going to fill that in with my black oil pastel. I want it to be nice and dark. And then underneath that, I'm going to make a line, and that's going to lead to his mouth. I'm going to make right in the center, I'm going to make his eyes, and they're going to be ovals, and they're going to be wide set, meaning they're not going to be super close together. Okay, because when you think about a reindeer and you're looking straight at him, you're not going to see his eyes right here in the middle. They're more off to the side. Okay, so next what we're going to do is we are going to create a little bit of detail on our reindeer's nose. So we're going to start at this corner where these two lines meet, and we're going to go down here to the bottom, right here at the nose area, right on the edge of this line. So watch what I mean. So I make a curved line coming from this space here down to the edge of his nose, and the same on this side. Okay. Now I'm going to come back up here and I'm just going to create some small lines. This is just going to be a little bit of detail up on the top of my reindeer's head. All right, if you'd like to put a few little dots down here, go ahead and do that. You don't have to do this part if you don't want to. I think it just makes it look really cute. Now what we're going to do is we're going to come down here and we're going to make the neck and the body of our reindeer. And it's going to be inside of a sweater. So we're going to make a curved line and another curved line like this. All right, so his neck and his body are inside the sweater. All right, now what we're going to do is we are going to decorate the sweater. And I am going to put up an example of different patterns that you can use to put on your sweater. And it looks like this. It looks like this. So I'm going to do that at the very end of this video. And the end of this step of the video, I should say. But in the meantime, I'm going to go ahead and get started on my sweater, and I'm going to speed up the video so you can watch what I'm doing. I'm basically going to start at the top with a curved line, and I'm going to make some lines going vertically. That way it will look like that's the neck of my sweater. Now I'm going to start here and I'm going to move down and I'm going to create different patterns on my sweater of my reindeer. So let me go ahead and do that. Here's a pattern example sheet that I've provided for you just in case you'd like to have some examples and some ideas for some patterns for your cozy little sweater. So just pause the video right here and that way you can look at some examples of some patterns. Alrighty friends, so I finished with the sweater of my reindeer. Now the last thing that I'm going to do is I want to put some snowflakes around the side and the background of my reindeer. So I'm going to show you how to make a very simple snowflake, but it looks really cool and cute too. Basically, you're going to make 3 lines and they're going to intersect right here in the center. And then after you make your 3 intersecting lines, you just put a dot on the end of each line like this. You can make big snowflakes and you can make small snowflakes. It's up to you. If you know of a different way to make snowflakes, go ahead and do that if you'd like to. I'm going to do that really quick. So I'll be right back. Alrighty friends, I'm finished making my snowflakes. So as you can see, I do have some oil pastels on my fingers. Oil pastels can get very messy because they're so soft and they're made out of oil. So that's just part of the fun though of doing art, is sometimes you can get a little bit messy. Alrighty friends, in this step what we're going to do is we are going to paint our cute reindeer in his sweater. And what we need to do first is we need to prepare our watercolor paints. So let's take a drop of water and put a drop of water into each of our pans of paint. And what this does is it dissolves our paint a little bit, so it makes it much, much easier for us to use when we are ready to use it. Go ahead and do that. Okay, now let's turn our attention to our piece of paper, our drawing, and just kind of have an idea in your mind about the colors that you'd like to use. I think I'm going to paint my reindeer brown, the background maybe blue on this one, and then I'm not sure about the colors that I'm going to use on this sweater. I'm just going to see how I feel about it once I get to that point. So I'm going to go ahead and start painting. You can watch me because I'm going to speed up this painting. It's going to look like I'm speed painting, but I'm really not. I'm taking my time and I want to do my best work. So I'll see you back here in just a minute. Alrighty friends, so I'm finished painting my cute reindeer in his sweater and I think he looks really, really cute. A couple of things. Remember, if you want your colors to be a little bit lighter, use more water and less paint. If you want your colors to be darker or more vivid, use more paint and less water. I hope that you enjoyed this project. I'll see you next time.